Here's how to convert your Figma design to a Shopify theme. So let's open up Figma real quick, and then you just need to open up your file that you want to convert. So let's just open up this one. I don't really have a design that I want to convert at the moment. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So open up your file that you want to convert, and then you just click on this right here, the resources button. You click on it. And then from here, you go to plugins, and then you just type in Shopify image importer. Right, from here, you will find this Shopify image importer. You just click on it and then give it a second. Now it will give you this menu right here. So in this menu, the first option here, add Shopify product URLs here, you simply go to your product in Shopify and then just copy the links, and you need to paste them over in this first box. Obviously they need to be in different lines. And then the next one, if you have a collection, you can add it here. Now in the import settings, the first option over here is how many products you want to import. So let's say 3, 4, you can just put the number over here. If you have multiple, you can just put a 99999 if you want to select all, right? And then how many product images in the second one is basically when you have a product and let's say you have like 5 images and you just want to show 3 images in the first page, you just type in 3, and that's it. You just click on import, and that's how to show how to convert a file on Figma to a Shopify theme. Thanks for watching.